Sponsors IEEE RMC and IEEE Assist. RMC is a concept to support every individual who is on a career break and is planning to return to the workforce. Empowering them is the basic requirement, and the ideal way for this is to improve the skills in every possible aspect to move a step forward towards their goal. A special thanks to them for their unwavering support. We have with us Dr. Ramalatha Marimuthu, General Founding Chair, IEEE Assist 1-2 and IEEE RMC, and Mr. Gaurav Pathak, Secretary at IEEE RMC 2023 and Chair I Engage Track IEEE Assist 1-2 2023.
Shall we start?
Yes, please start.
Ramlatha ma'am, please continue.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank the BVPIEEE this is an interesting event where the goals of your event and our event actually aligns. Our Assist 12 and IEEE RMC, both of them are based on the Sustainable Development Goals. Though the Assist 12 covers many of the Sustainable Development Goals because we have more than 5 tracks, IEEE RMC covers 2 to 3 goals where we are providing equal opportunities to everyone, education, then gender equity and equality. So these are some of the sustainable development goals we will be covering. And thank you for giving us the opportunity to present about our events during this hackathon. Gaurav is our secretary for IEEE RMC. I am the general chair, founder general chair, in fact. I started it as a kind of workshop for the take reduced skilling are not able to come back. And the World Bank wanted me to make it into a full-fledged conference, and I started it as a conference from 2019 onwards. IEEE Assist 12 was started in 2016 as a kind of hackathon first, but it has now reached to around 30 countries, reaching out to nearly 10,000 people with 59 pilots this year. But usually we have some 30 to 40 pilots every year. So this is our background, and I would like Gaurav, who is the secretary of IEEE RMC and also the chair of I Engage track of IEEE Assist 12 to continue. Thank you, team. Gaurav, please continue.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so hello everyone, Gaurav Pathak this side, and today I'm here to present 2 events. First is IEEE Returning Mothers Conference, and second is IEEE Assist 12. Okay, so Returning Mothers Conference initially started with the goal to support the women who have taken a career break or who wanted to join the workforce. Okay, and due to whatever reasons, be it the maternity leaves, be it the financial issues, be it the family issues. Okay, but when with the upcoming editions of Returning Mothers Conference, we are not only focusing on the women sector of the society, but we are also focusing towards the male and including everyone who has taken a career break and want to come back to the workforce. So we have prepared a short teaser video for Returning Mothers Conference, starting with this one, and then I'll go to the IEEE Assist 12. Okay. Okay, so we have one of the committees as Ideathon and Pitch Fest. So people can come and present their ideas and get the opportunity to be the wildcard entry at the Pitch Fest directly. The selected teams will be getting this opportunity from WIEHACK of IEEE BVPIEEE. Okay, so I'll request everyone to join us on 26th and 27th of October at North Cap University, Gurgaon, Haryana. So coming towards the next event, that is IEEE SS 12. So IEEE SS 12 stands for Youth Endeavors for Social Innovations Through Sustainable Technology. So this is an international event where people across the globe present their ideas in front of the people, and there are prelims, there are the finales. So this time this IEEE SS 12 is going to be held in Egypt. So on 2nd and 3rd of September 2023. So being the sponsors and being the partners with the BVPIEEE student branch, we are giving the opportunity to the selected teams the opportunity to apply for the travel grants to present their ideas at Egypt directly. So I'm sharing my screen, a short video that we prepared for IEEE SS 12. Just take a look at it. Okay, so I hope you have gained some insights about both the events, and I wish all the best to all the participating teams of WIEHACK, and hoping that few teams I'll see in IEEE SS12 as well as IEEE RMC. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for the wonderful session. Uh, Stay tuned. We'll be resuming the next session in a few minutes, so stay tuned on the stream.
Hi guys, now it's the time for another session by our prestigious sponsor FIRE. The FIRE ecosystem aims to bring a shift in the paradigm from a for-profit economy to a for-benefit economy. This is achieved by embedding sustainability and social impact deep inside the FIRE chain runtime logic and ensuring that activities align with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals either on chain or in the real world, are highly incentivized. Heartfelt thanks to them for their generous cash contribution. Your support has made that event even more thrilling. Over to you, sir.
So Biochain is a blockchain, which is a layer 1 EVM compatible blockchain. So I will explain what blockchain is first of all. Blockchain is like a ledger of transactions, which is immutable, and the transactions are recorded and it is transparent. Now, what is layer 1 and EVM compatible? So, layer 1 blockchain is a base kind of blockchain, and in this, the blockchain is responsible for taking care of all the transactions. And EVM compatible means that the blockchain is Ethereum virtual machine compatible, which means that the smart contracts built on supply chain are also they can also be deployed on the EVM blockchain. Right. So that's the thing. So this is all about fire chain. There is a consensus mechanism used in fire chain. So before that, I will just ask a quick question for all those who know a little bit about blockchain. Just tell me and raise your hand if you know the answer to this question. The question is very simple. So, what kind of consensus mechanism is used in Ethereum? Sorry? Proof of stake, right. So that's the right answer. Proof of stake consensus mechanism used. And Firechain also used that kind of consensus mechanism, but it is known as sustainable. But it is known as. I'm sorry for that. So basically, Firechain also uses a consensus mechanism which is known as sustainable proof of stake consensus mechanism. Pretty long term, कुछ समझ नहीं आया, but I will explain. So proof of stake consensus mechanism में क्या होता है कि a validator or a node has to stake some ETH. So in Ethereum, you have to stake 32 ETH to become a validator, right? And also there is another factor called as randomized voting. But in Firechain, there are multiple factors. Not only randomized voting and stake, there are multiple factors like sustainability, reliability, and previous nomination. Right. So all these factors contribute to select the validator to mine the next transactions. Right. So this is about Firechain. Let's just get into the next slide. And what the core problem we are trying to solve, like blockchain adoption with solving sustainability and accessibility. So another quick question for you guys. Just let me know who can tell me the consensus mechanism used in Bitcoin blockchain technology. Proof of work. Who said that? Right. Proof of work is the correct answer. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism used. So excessive computational power usage. So proof of work में क्या होता है? Like if I have to mine one block transaction in a Bitcoin, if we talk about that, so जो energy use होता है that is equivalent to 21 households using the same energy for 24 hours in USA. That is equivalent to a lot of energy, and a lot of energy is getting wasted, which actually makes the environment a very polluted place. So we are trying to solve that by bringing in sustainability, no incentivization for sustainable practices, no sustainability embedded into consensus, but we are embedding the consensus, like the sustainability into our consensus mechanism. Accessibility, lack of education. Yes, there is a lack of education. So a lot of people don't know about blockchain here. I saw very less hands who know about blockchain. So that is an example of lack of education. So I'm here to educate you a little bit of what is blockchain and lack of incentives for good, difficult cross-chain communication. Later on, I will also do an hands-on workshop where you would be able to deploy a smart contract on the Fire chain testnet, right? And yeah, so what is the fifth industrial revolution? The fifth industrial revolution is nothing but it's an industrial revolution bringing in sustainability, technology, and innovation by blockchain called Fire blockchain. And now blockchain technology at the service of humanity, transition from for-profit to for-benefit paradigm, and aligning KPI-based performance with UN SDGs. Now, who's going to tell me what is the full form of SDG? Anyone? Like who said that? Yeah, sustainable development goals. That's the right answer. So basically, all these factors contribute for a validator to be selected for the, assembly of blocks for the next 12 hours at fire stage. Now, what is proof of fire? Proof of fire is basically a summation of three important things: proof of benefit, proof of stake, reliability. Proof of benefit is nothing but your ESG score and like how many sustainable development goals that you satisfy. Proof of stake is the amount of stake that you're staking, again a factor. Reliability is your activity onto the network. Market opportunity. So at now, the market size of blockchain is around $20 billion. That's a lot, right? And what we are aiming is that we want to see blockchain technology at a market size of $1,600 billion by 2030, and that's our ambition, and that's what we aim for. The usage of the Fire blockchain, not only Fire blockchain, but these are the usage of many of the blockchains. Digital identities, digital assets, security, and interoperability, and you can see many of them on the slide. We'll just get into the next slide. Fire's competitive analysis. So, as of you, I hope that you know about these chains like Cardano, Polkadot, Algorand, and Ethereum, right? So, this is where we excel at. ESG sustainability score, sustainability, cross-chain interoperability, all these things we excel at, and we are different from all these things. And that's a great thing. In the leadership team, we have Pratik Gauri, Pratik Dwivedi, Bibin Babu, Utkarsh Amitabh, and Lukas Pawlowski. In the advisory ecosystem, we have an excellent advisory ecosystem. If you watch soccer or football, you must be knowing this guy right here, Didier Drogba, who was a player for Chelsea. And we have partnered with various companies. If we talk about in India, Niti Aayog and the Goa Police, and also we have partnered with Abu Dhabi University. We have also hit the media coverage because we were the fastest unicorn in India, and we raised some funding at a valuation of $1.5 billion, and that's a huge amount. And we hit the headlines because of that at Mint, the Indian Express, and CoinDesk. So what I want you to do right now is that since you are having your beautiful smartphones in your pockets, just take it out and scan this Discord, because this is important for you guys. Firstly, you can ask your queries on our Discord. Anything that you have, just ask it on our Discord. Like, I hope this guys they can scan it as well. Right? Okay, so just take out your mobiles and scan this Discord. Second thing, there is going to be NFT airdrops when we are going to launch mainnet, and those NFTs gonna bring bunch of money into your pockets. So just scan that. Thirdly, when we will launch the mainnet, we will also have some airdrop of tokens, so you can also apply for that. Again, a bunch of money in your pocket. So quite a few benefits right there. And this is our Telegram. So all of those hackathon participants who are trying to build a project on Firechain, just go on and scan this as well. Ask quick queries. I'm staying here for another 1 or 2 hours, I guess. I will be interacting with the participants who are building a blockchain project. And if you have any kind of queries, just let me know. And when I'm not here, you're most welcome to ask your queries on Telegram. Right? And there are mentors live, and they will be taking care of all of your queries. I hope you have scanned this. If yes, then go for a yes. Come on, guys. Cool. Okay. Like it's about from the Discord. Yeah, so again, I'm repeating the same thing. Discord, in the future, you would be accessible to get NFT airdrops and token airdrops, and you can vouch for that. Cool. So this is the Telegram for asking your queries. This is the WhatsApp community. So we are from Fire Hub Delhi. I am the technical lead. My fellow chap, his name is Shubham. He is the non-technical lead, right? So he's also from the Fire Hub Delhi NCR. If you wanna be like, if you're a designer, if you're a content writer, or anything that you can contribute to the Fire Hub Delhi, you will be incentivized. That's for sure. And the second thing is that you will have a brand image soon. So just let us know if you can help us in any way possible. Just join this WhatsApp community and send some messages out, right? Cool. All right. The most important thing now. अब जब मैं ये बोलूँगा तुम लोगों के थोड़े से आंखें खुल जाएंगे. So we have our prizes and bounties. Exciting prizes and bounties, by the way. So if you are building a blockchain project, firstly, the thing is, blockchain projects ज़्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है? तो तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा chance है. Even if you have submitted an idea, I don't care if you want to pivot the idea, go for it, right? Build a blockchain project on Firechain and try to win these prizes, first prize, second prize. I'm telling you, the competition is so less. Even if you deploy a smart contract on Firechain and make a dApp out of it, you are having a chance of winning 10,000 INR. Am I clear? So go on, make a blockchain project and try to explore something new and trending. And the first prize is obviously 10,000 INR, second prize is 7,000 INR, and third prize is 5,000 INR. And also, the very important thing, I'm not going to open the link because it's going to take a lot of time. Everyone who deploys their smart contract on Firechain will get goodies and swags. How about that? And that is crazy. We have good goodies and swags. We will be mailing you to your address. You don't have to wait for that. We will be mailing it to you using Dunzo and other. So just all you have to do is deploy a smart contract, and even if you win prizes, obviously you're again getting goodies. And also you have to do one more important thing I will tell you at the end of the session. Right, so, and also one more important thing, if you deploy a project on Firechain, and like suppose you have one first prize or second prize or third prize, right? And you can also avail for grants that is equivalent to $25,000, and it's the starting grants are from $25,000, and that's a huge amount. If you are willing to go for a good project, which is an industrial level project, and you are supposed to build on this hackathon, you are availing for a good grant. And that's it. All the best for that. And I hope you get one of the grants from Firechain. This is the Fire Hub. I've already told you about this. We are the Fire Hub team, and you can contact us. You can let us know if you can contribute to anything like that. And thank you for this session. Right now, I will now tell you how you can deploy a smart contract on the Firechain. So how many guys are ready for this? Just raise your hands. Okay, even though I told you the prizes and grants, you still are not ready. Okay, no problem. So, like, although you are making a project on Web2, I don't care. You can go for deploying a smart contract on Firechain. It doesn't take much of your knowledge, but just some skills, right? And this is not gonna be a waste of knowledge. That's for sure, right? So the very first thing, just open up your laptops. Whoever is wanting to, deploy the smart contract on the Firechain testnet, just open up your laptops. And what I want you to do is open up your Chrome. Go onto this website, which is fire.org. Right. So when you will head to fire.org, you have any query? Okay. So when you will head to fire.org, you will see a button here, Fire Explorer. I hope everybody can see, right? Say yes, guys. Yes. Just show some enthusiasm at least. At least blockchain wale to dikhao. Right? And just hit on Fire Explorer and you will be headed to the Explorer page. What is Explorer? Explorer is nothing. It acts like Etherscan. How many of you here know about Etherscan? Come on, raise your hand. Etherscan? Etherscan? Okay. Etherscan is nothing but an explorer for Ethereum chain, either testnet or mainnet. What you can do at Etherscan is go and check your transactions. Similarly, we have an explorer for Firechain as well. You can check your transactions here. And right now, what I want you to do is go on and download a Fire Wallet extension. So just click on download the Fire Wallet extension here, and it will navigate you to the Chrome web store. So I'll firstly remove from my Chrome, and in your case, you have to add to Chrome. Just hit on add to Chrome, and you will be good to go. Anyone who has any problem? You just have to go onto the explorer.fire.network, and for that you have to visit fire.org at first, and then go on to Explorer. Cool. Anyone else who has any query, just ask me. Don't be embarrassed. Come on, guys. Okay, cool. So that's it. Firechain wallet would have been added into your extension. If you can't see it, just pin it like this. Now I hope you can see a little icon on your Chrome like this, and if you open it, you will see a dialog box like this. Now tell me, have you reached this point? Come on, say yes if you have reached this point. Hello? Done? People right there. Next slow, next slow. Next slow.
नेक्स्ट तो आ जाएगा सबका नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट आ
Use your hotspot. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So, guys, at this side, I hope you're done till this. You can see a Firechain wallet, right? Now, the most important thing. What is the difference between MetaMask and Firechain wallet? Nothing. MetaMask is boring, right? And Firechain wallet is interesting. So I feel Firechain wallet interesting because it doesn't have a wide background, not boring like MetaMask, right? So what I want you to do is go on and create a new wallet. So for that, you just have to click on create a new wallet like that. Done. Now enter a wallet name. Wallet name में कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं, अपना नाम डालो, अपना कुछ भी डालो यार, ठीक है? So basically, ये हैकाथॉन का नाम क्या है? WIEHACK. So I'll write the name as WIEHACK. WIEHACK is the name of my wallet now. I'll hit on create. Now it says before you begin, you have to copy something onto your notepad. So for that, just open up your notepads, right? Open up your notepad like that. And I want you all to pay some attention here because this is something which is important and this is something which is related to security issues, right? So when you hit continue, you will see some things right here, mnemonic phrase, EVM private key. Well, these things are not to be shared. But since this is testnet, I don't care, right? But when you are going on doing this with your mainnet, please do not share with anybody. Just copy this and go on and paste it in your notepad like that. Then ये सब किसने कर लिया यार? हाँ बोलो यार, हाँ बोलो. Yes बोलो, yes. जोर से बोलो. Cool, nice. Paste हो गया. So what is mnemonic phrase? Mnemonic phrase is nothing like a seed phrase in MetaMask. So mnemonic phrase is also encrypted. And ये mnemonic phrase को तुम use कर सकते हो for importing your wallet. Like if you lost your wallet, laptop खो गया, दूसरे laptop में जाओ, अपना import wallet में जाके mnemonic phrase डाल दोगे, तो आपको अपना वो मिल जाएगा wallet, right? Alright, so let's hit on continue to save this notepad if you want to, and let's enter a password. So I'm not going to tell you my password though. Congratulations, your wallet is created. ये किस-किस को दिख गया? Come on, yes. Done? Nice. Have a query? Done, done. Very good, guys. So now, who all can see zero fire here? हाँ, क्योंकि हम सब गरीब हैं, right? So हमें थोड़ा सा मांगना पड़ेगा. अब मांगने के लिए हम कहाँ जाएंगे? We will go to Explorer, right? You can see Explorer here. First thing to do on an Explorer is change the chain. It should not be native chain. It should be EVM chain like that. Just go on and change the chain to EVM, right? Because we're going to deploy a Solidity smart contract, so it is on an EVM chain. Pretty simple to understand, and that is the EVM chain. Now you can see a thing like here, जहाँ पे आपको tap का icon दिख रहा होगा, and उसके सामने faucet लिखा हुआ है. So you know about faucet? Anyone who knows about faucet, raise your hands. Faucet. Nice. Cool. So faucet is nothing but वो तुम्हें फ्री का टोकन्स देता है, ठीक है, तो ऐसा समझ लेते हैं. Right. So EVM chain faucet, it will ask you for a wallet address, right? So just go on and enter your wallet address. Where can you find your wallet address? Open your Firechain wallet and go on to this QR scan in EVM chain balance. EVM chain balance के अंदर ये QR scanner पे click करो, then you will find this address. Just click on it again. It will get copied. Paste it right there. And fill in the captcha. I'm not a robot. And then send. Okay. Wait. Success. Yeah. Somebody give him mic. Do we have another mic? Can you be a little louder? Wallet address?
Invalid.
Just check it in the EVM chain. Like, are you in the EVM chain? Are you in the EVM chain in Explorer? So basically, you have to change. I will elaborate it again. What you have to do is go on to this little box here, change it to EVM chain because you are now native chain. So it is showing that you have a wrong address, right? So yeah. हाँ यार, तो मेरे को tokens मिल गए. किस-किसको tokens मिल गए guys? Come on, yes बोलो यार, मेरे को हाथ खड़े मत करो यार, ठीक है? सुनना चाहता हूँ मैं. Okay, so we have tokens here, and those are 5 fire tokens. So 5 fire tokens. We can do a lot of things with these 5 fire tokens. I can send it to some of the guy with some different address. I can send my tokens to this guy. I can go on and transact in any of the fire chain app. I can deploy a smart contract and multiple various things to do. So what we are going to do is we will first write a smart contract and deploy it on Firechain. So just open a new tab and go on ide.fire.network. Now listen carefully. Now this is important. Why? I will let you know. So पहले तो ये URL लिख लो ide.fire.network. Everybody done? ide.fire.network. सबने देख लिया? Hit enter. When you will hit enter, right, it will ask you for a login access. Right, so it will ask you for a login request. So this is the access request. This is nothing but it is just taking the credentials of your Firechain wallet. Firechain wallet ka access leke, it will have some account address or other things to go for the transactions on this. So it is kind of like Remix IDE. We made our own IDE, ide.fire.network. So hit on approve, not cancel. Okay, so like that. We have. I hope I don't have to make my screen larger. It is visible from this. Is it? You can see, right? It is visible, right? Cool. So basically, we have given the approval. All of you have given the approval, right? Say yes. Yes. Done. Great. Now, what I want you to do is we are going to create an ERC20 standard token. Now, who knows an ERC20 standard token? Raise your hands. ERC20. 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 Don't know, no problem. ERC20 is a standard token, right? EVM chain supportable. And the thing is that ERC20 token has got some functions in it, which are pre-built functions, and you don't have to write function for like transfer function, or you can say balance of function. ये सब function लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती आपको. ERC20 token में already वो standard functions लिखे होते हैं. And I will show you what those functions look like. When you click on, so pay attention, when you click on ERC20, create an ERC20 token, जैसे आप इस पे click करोगे, you will see contracts में my token.sol. Your contract name is my token, right? And if you see import Open Zeppelin contracts token, this is nothing but Open Zeppelin has ERC20 standard contract token address का पूरा code. So I will show you how it looks like and why we are importing this, right? Why we are importing this? Because this is very cool. Why? Because it has got all the functions. You can see this is the contract of ERC20. And you can see a lot of functions here: transfer, allowance, balance of, total supply, decimals, everything. Okay.
In case अगर ये show कर
ठीक है? So these are all the functions here. Brightness of the लाइट्स ऑफ हो सकती है क्या? ये फ्रंट की लाइट्स ऑफ कर दो अगर कर सकते हो, ताकि थोड़ा सा ब्राइटनेस का इशू. ओके कूल. सो यू कैन सी ऑल दीस फंक्शंस आर प्री बिल्ट एंड यू डोंट हैव टू राइट ऑल दीस फंक्शंस. सो सर से थोड़ा सा बोझ हट गया, राइट? आई वाज स्केयर्ड एज फक. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली द थिंग इज, जो फंक्शंस है वो प्री बिल्ट है, ठीक है, और तुम्हें फंक्शंस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तुम्हारे सर से थोड़ा सा बोझ हट गया. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज that is exactly what import here is doing. It is just importing the code from OpenZeppelin. So now there is a function in OpenZeppelin, like in this ERC20 standard token. If you search for it, it is known as the min function. And if you search for it, the min functions looks like this. What does this min function do? It takes two parameters. First of all, address type, it is called account. UN256 type amount, right? So if you are creating your own token, right, you can send those token to a particular address. So for example, I want to send myself some tokens which I have created right now. So मैं mint function का call करूँगा in the constructor. Hello, am I audible? आ रही है? Yeah. So basically थोड़ी सी आवाज कम होगी ना? कोई नहीं. Hello. All right. Hello. Yeah. So basically, I will call the min function in the constructor, and I've got a loud voice, so you can hear it. So what I'm gonna name my token? मेरे token का नाम है WIEHACK. Yes. So WIEHACK. WIEHACK is the token name, right? You can put your token name as anything you want to, and a token symbol होता है यार. Like you know, Bitcoin has a token symbol of BTC. Ethereum has a symbol of ETH. Similarly, you have a token symbol of WEH. It sounds like way. अरे हाँ, sorry. I hope it's visible. Yeah. So WES sounds like way, but it is definitely not way. And all right. So we're gonna write the min function here. So my min function is underscore min. So what was the first parameter? Can anybody tell me what was the first parameter mint was asking? Address, right? So address. So I have to send myself some tokens of WIEHACK. Message.sender, right? What is your name? Rishabh. So Rishabh has given me the correct answer, message.sender. Why would we write message.sender? Because we are calling the contract. So we are the message.sender. And since I am calling the contract, I am the message.sender. It has my address. So message.sender has an address, which is, I will show you how does that address look like. It is looking like 0xC5E. जिस एड्रेस पे हमने faucet के थ्रू भेजा था, that is the message.sender. And now message.sender is there. Now what I want is the second parameter क्या था? Amount value, right? So amount में कितना भेजूं? मैं भेजता हूं अपने आप को 1000 WIEHACK tokens और 1000 WIE tokens. So 1000 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? Why? हाँ, right. He is right. So 1000 WIE, it is equivalent to 1000 WIE. So we have to give it some decimals. I can give how many decimals that I want to, but ERC20 standard token you can only give 18 decimals. So we are bounded by some rules. So we will just go on and multiply it with 10 to the power 18. Right? So 1000 tokens of, like, ये क्यों करते हैं हम? Basically, I will tell you. Like, if I have to send someone 0.001 token, right? So blockchain में it is not feasible to go for decimal transactions because it takes a lot of gas fees और वो काफी computational होता है. So उसके लिए इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने amount ही बढ़ा दिया, like decimals ही बढ़ा दिया. So उससे क्या होगा? आसानी होगी, right? So 1000 into 10 to the power 18 decimal solves my problem. Now I will just end it with a semicolon, and that's it. My contract is ready. My WIEHACK token is ready, and for that we will just first check compiling. So for compiling, go onto the solidity looking like logo and compile my token.sol, right? And it says green tick mark, which means I am good to go. Now I will deploy this contract. So for that, I can see my account is 0xC5E already there with 5 fire tokens. Great. I have my contract, my token.sol. Again, great. So that means I'm good to go. I will deploy it, and when I will click on deploy, it will ask me to confirm a transaction from my Firechain wallet. Now, why is it not? Right. So why is it not asking for the MetaMask transaction? Because this is ये हमारा area है. तो id.fire.network is हमारा area. हम MetaMask को नहीं बुलाते, हम बुलाते हैं Firechain wallet. Right. So if you do this same thing in your Remix IDE, तब आपका MetaMask खुलेगा, right? So go on and just approve it, right? And when you will approve this, approve this. So I think it is deployed. You can see in your deployed contracts, my token has been deployed. यहाँ तक कौन पहुंच गया? Say yes, come on, louder. ये क्या है रे? बहुत कम आवाज आई क्यों? Deployed. Say yes then. Come on. Deployed. You deploying? Okay, again. So what you have to do? Queries. कोई नहीं. First query. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे जाके deploy पे जाना है. This is the deploy icon, and go on and click on deploy like that. It will ask you for a transaction and approve it. Like that, and your contract will be deployed in a few seconds. Like it has been deployed. You can see this is the contract. हो गया अब? Done? Any queries from this side? यहाँ पे हो रहा था किसी को query? नहीं हो रहा था? You have any query, guys? At the back? Don't get embarrassed. You can ask me. Come on. No queries? No problem. Cool. So my contract has been deployed. What I have to check is, यार ये 1000 tokens जो मैंने भेजे थे अपने आप को, वो मेरे को मिले भी या नहीं, या मेरा scam हो गया, right? So just delete this contract, right? So this is the new contract that I deployed again, and when I will copy this address, and I will go on a pre-built function in ERC20 Open Zeppelin, balance of function, right? Balance of function को क्या चाहिए parameter में? Address, account address, right? So I'll just copy and paste. Where did I get this address from? You can get this from multiple areas. Firstly, account का यहाँ से copy कर लो, या तो you can open your Firechain wallet. यार अगली बार से मैं माउस लेके आऊँगा, और यहाँ पे QR scanner पे जाके यहाँ से आप copy कर सकते हो. You can do this as well. So now just copy it and paste it like that and call this balance of function. Now balance of function is a, right, Rishabh knows a lot. So balance of function is a read-only function, which means it doesn't take any of your gas fees. Why? Sorry? Yeah, what? Yeah, sure. Come. So basically, balance of function is a read-only function and it doesn't take any gas fees. Why? Because you state update नहीं कर रहा है blockchain. If you are updating a state on blockchain, then only you are asked for some fire tokens or any kind of token, but not when you are calling a read-only function, right? So cool. This is तो हमने call नहीं किया है, call कर देते हैं. So when I call this, I can see 1000 plus 0000. That means 18 decimals added. 18 zeros are added after 3 zeros. That makes 21 zeros. Right. So I have got my 1000 tokens. That's it. That is the whole. That's all about it. And last thing. I promise. So you guys are building a project on Firechain, and अगर आप build कर रहे हो, you would be facing a problem which is called integration. How are you going to integrate it with your front end, right? So for that you need a tech stack, and I will help you with that. So I just want you to open up your cameras, बड़े-बड़े cameras निकालो और इसकी फोटो खींचो. Zoom it. So I will explain what this is. First of all, you can use Remix IDE or IDE.fire.network for writing and deploying of smart contracts, right? First step. Second thing, you need wallet connection. Wallet connection के लिए pretty amazing. You got Rainbow UI Kit. Just type in Google Rainbow UI Kit docs. जैसे लिखोगे ना आपको इतने beautiful docs मिल जाएंगे that you will in a second you will get to integrate Firechain, right? And use WAGME. So Rainbow UI Kit actually co-works with WAGME, right? And it co-works with WAGME, and in WAGME you have a chains. Like if you go onto the WAGME SDK, and even in the docs you will find a thing called chains, right? Configure chains. So in that you can have some particular chains in your wallet. So in that chains we have Thunder tested. Like you will see in the chains you will have Polygon, Mumbai, Ethereum, and all these chains. So हमारा chain कौन सा है? हमारा chain fire chain है ना? So we have a different chain, right? So for that we have Thunder testnet. ठीक है? Thunder. Remember this. So आपको जब आप integrate करोगे in the configure chains, you just put instead of Polygon and Polygon Mumbai, put Thunder testnet, so that all the transactions will take place in your Thunder testnet. Cool. Now Ether.js for again contract function calling. So for example, if I have to call a function like balance off, I have to call a function like transfer from. So मैं इसको call करने के लिए I will use Ether.js, which is again an npm library. So how many of you guys are using React Next.js? Come on, raise your hands. Good. So you have npm package. Go and npm install Ether.js, npm install WAGME, npm install Rainbow. Easy. Docs view करो and you will get to know all about it. And one more last thing यार, अब pinky promise, ये last है. Then I'm going. ठीक है. So this is the most important thing. If you need beautiful t-shirts, beautiful swags, go on, take a photo of this tweet. Don't just copy this tweet. ठीक है. कुछ creative लेके आओ. If you are on Firechain, ठीक है. Firechain पे कुछ बना रहे हो, express your idea, what is it about, ठीक है, उसके बारे में tweet करो और सबसे important thing, इन सबको tag करो. My name is Venkatesh, but I go by Venmus. Okay, so yeah, so you can tag them all. Firechain, Venmus, ये क्या है, Iman's tweet, ऐसे कुछ, ठीक है. So इन सबको tag करो and just send us a tweet. The most beautiful tweet will receive a goodie and swags and a lot of things. So just try it out, tweet us and let us know what you are building and what you are going to create in this particular hackathon. Right? So that's it guys. I am D. Venkatesh, tired as hell, signing off. Thank you for listening to me, having some patience, and you were a great audience. Thank you.